Hi there. Is Premiere Pro running a bit sluggish? When you import footage into Premiere Pro, does it take a long time? When you preview your footage, does it lag and skip frames? Well, here are 5 tips you can use to speed up Premiere Pro. Tip number 1, use a faster hard drive. Quite often the first thing you should try is loading all of your footage onto a faster hard drive, especially if you're editing with uncompressed footage. Now you can have the fastest computer in the world, but if Premiere Pro can't read the footage fast enough, it will never ever run smoothly. One of the best ways to find out the speed of your hard drives is to use an app called Blackmagic Disk Speed Test. It's a free piece of software and it allows you to see the write and read speed of your drives and see whether they are fast enough to process your footage. The read speed is what you are particularly interested in. Cheaper spinning disk hard drives are usually quite slow and they read at around 30 to 150 megabytes per second, yet SSDs or solid state drives run much faster. Now this is perfect for editing footage off. If you've got the cash, I would highly recommend investing in a fast SSD to edit your films off, if you don't have one already. Tip number 2, lower the preview quality. On the bottom right of the preview or program monitor panel in Premiere Pro, you will find the playback resolution selector. Here you can change the quality of the preview. Now lower the quality of the playback resolution to prevent lagging and skipping. You can also change the source monitor resolution as well. Tip number 3, pre-render. Once you start adding effects to your footage, you will find that Premiere will find it harder to process and preview your footage. This red strip here will indicate that Premiere will struggle to process this part of the timeline. Pre-rendering your timeline, or a selection of your timeline, will allow you to watch your footage without frame skipping or lagging. Tip number 4, invest in faster hardware. One of the problems you may have is that your computer may simply not be fast enough to process your information, and therefore you may need to upgrade it slightly. Now, Premiere Pro relies heavily on the computer's CPU, or the processor. If you're thinking about building or buying a computer in the near future, or upgrading your computer, I would highly recommend to invest in a fast CPU. Fast memory and a fast graphics card will also help you in the long run. Tip number 5, use proxies. Using proxies is probably one of the best ways to edit high quality footage on a slow hard drive or computer. A proxy workflow, or online-offline workflow as they are also called, means that you edit lower quality footage which is attached to your uncompressed footage. So it makes it easier for your computer and Premiere Pro to edit your footage. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching. To help us bring you more content, please support us by subscribing to our channel.